Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. So today we're gonna get started on coding challenge number 2. There have been some ideas that have been proposed from the last discussion from the last stream. So I'm gonna choose a random one to get started with it. So okay, I'm just gonna go down and here we have a recommendation saying we should do face recognition next. Um, there's also been another request to try to replicate something like Anno game. Yeah, it's called Anno. I think so. Also, there have been a request for a small programming language, maybe in Amharic. I believe that project is going to be uh, too much to fit in 1 hour. So I'm just gonna try and do face recognition for today's stream. So let's just get started. I'm just gonna be using a wrapper around OpenCV called EmguCV, EmguCV. So let me just get started with the face detection, of course. Okay, um, let me do that real quick. After all, we are trying to get this done in a few minutes. So I'm gonna be moving as quick as I can. EmguCV, yep, here. So I'm just gonna install this. Um, okay, it's gonna install the NuGet package down here. So until that installs, let's take a look at the EmguCV documentation. So here we have the wiki and CV. So let's see the getting started tutorial. Okay, the download and installation. We have here Windows. We're installing through NuGet. Yeah. Okay. So install. We've already done the installation. So here I accept, and we're gonna install the runtime for Windows because I'm currently on Windows. Okay. Let it install a bit. So let's go to the tutorial examples in C#. So hello world for Windows. Okay. Let's see the version 2 of this. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it so we can get started. I believe it's gonna take a while to download this. How much is it using the internet? Yeah, it's downloading. So we already have this. EmguCV. I think this API is outdated. So I'm just gonna do following. Yeah, let me simplify the code a bit using not to this one. All these are not going to be used. Yeah, so cv invoke dot wait key 0. It's still installing, but I don't think I can run this before that gets installed. Yeah, so then let's look into more about the OpenCV library. So I've used EmguCV before, and it's actually really similar to the Python version because it's just a wrapper. It's it just exposes the Python stuff onto the use onto C sharp. So actually, something interesting about OpenCV is it's not written in C sharp. It's not written in Python. There's a C or C++ library powering it, right? Yeah, even in the get started menu, there's a choice to download the C++ one. I think um, that's the language they used to make it, and they built a Python wrapper for it called uh, the OpenCV Python. Just like that, this EmguCV it just wraps onto the native library behind OpenCV. So okay, let's run this. Okay, I don't think it's working right away. So um, yeah, I'm doing the I am show thing. CV invoke dot I am show my window and img img. So let's try this out. Here, as you can see, we've got the window set up. So here we have the hello world text, which is drawn by this specific method, I guess. So this one, it just puts a text saying hello world onto the material, or what is math short for? I forgot. Anyways, onto the math file, the math object. So we've got that done. Now let's try to make it a bit more, you know, a bit more bigger first. Then let's load an image. Um, so how did we put an image onto this? Onto OpenCV inside the hello world one. I am read. Yeah, img equals to I am read. So we invoke dot I am read, the file name. I'm just gonna put something inside here. Yeah, let me just do the one I did for the first one, the logo.w. I don't think that's the it's gonna be the right format. Wait, let me open it up. Explorer. So yeah, we've got our image onto here. How convenient. Next, we're gonna just change the working directory to be up here instead of the place that the application is running. Where is this running? I believe it's in the repos source, repos face detection. Here we have the app. Okay, we've set the working directory to be up here, where the program.cs file is launched. So anytime we reference this file, we don't have to actually use the complete path. We just need to enter logo.webp. Yeah, the image is going to be, it's going to be like just like this. Now, let's see how it's gonna go. Yes, so we've got the window up and running, but I want to resize this. So how can I go by doing that? Img dot, wait, mm, wait, resize, reshape, maybe, shape in the current number of channels of 52 matrix without copying the data. Let's just look up how we can resize an image. In OpenCV, so I'm really new to this, so I'm learning it like right now. I've mentioned I've used it in a previous project, but yeah, it seems like I've forgotten it. So I'm just gonna go to Stack Overflow and see how to resize a mat in OpenCV. Oh, okay, mat is actually short for matrix. Okay, so here, side you pass both destination sizes and fx and fy scale factors. You should pass something. Yeah, resize. Yeah, I need to do this one. So also, I'm gonna like expose the CV invoke to be a global using static EmguCV dot CV invoke, so I don't have to mention this everywhere. Okay, so the mat two. Okay, we have everything ready. Now let's resize IMG. It is going to be placed into IMG. The size is going to be new size. Okay, it's going to be a new size, which is basically a vector. Yeah, it's a vector. It's going to have a width and height. So I think the image I passed in is a square image, so I'm just going to resize it to 512 by 512. I hope that scales linearly, I mean, without any distortions. It's a bit distorted, but I think we have it here. Yeah, so let's continue. Also, like the console window is really annoying, so I'm just gonna disable it by setting the project to be a Windows application. That is going to um, not show the console window. Okay, that's great. So we have our image. We can resize it to a static size. Um, and right now we're gonna be doing a face detection algorithm. So I've actually read a bit about face recognition, a bit back in the past, and there's an algorithm called the Har Cascade, if I'm not mistaken, Har Cascade classifier algorithm. So the cascade classifier is a feature-based cascade classifier. Um, it's a feature-based classifier, and it's effective in object detection methods. So here I'm reading it right here. Um, let's uh, let's just see the models first, the available models. So let's just download the face har cascade module. Let me see if it's actually found here. Of course, it's found here. So we have the model. It's actually 10 years old. That's impressive. Frontal face default. I'm just gonna download this from GitHub. I'm gonna download the raw file. I'm gonna put it up here. Yeah, all these are like, I believe, the weights for the neural network or the classifier. Okay, we have got that done, but I don't think we've put it in the right folder. So I'm just gonna go back and place it here manually. It's gonna show up right here. Okay, so har, if I search for HAAR har cascade, I believe there's a method classifier. Yeah, cascade classifier. The the model. I'm gonna name the variable the model. It's gonna be a new cascade classifier. Okay, so the file name is this basically. So I'm just gonna copy the name, place it inside here. So I hope I don't get any errors first. Nice. So this one is the model. Now that I've loaded the model, I've resized the image, and before I show the image, I'm gonna run the classifier on it. For result is going to be the model dot detect detect multiscale um, from the given input image array. Okay, that's nice. So the results are the detected rectangle faces, the coordinates of the rectangles and stuff. It's in a relative image space, so I can just simply draw it onto the image. So what I can do is I can go through every found image. I can use a for each loop for this. For each loop for var bounds. Yeah, I'm gonna call it the bounds in result. Yeah, in result. I'm just gonna first try to draw it onto the image. Rectangle. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. The output is going to be onto the image. The rectangle is gonna be the bounds. The color is going to be red. Okay, I have MCV's color. I don't think it has a predefined or presets. Yes, three doubles. So I'm gonna make it a red for now. And the thickness, it's going to be, yeah, 1. I'm gonna keep it at 1. Okay, I think we have everything done. Now, if we run this, we're not gonna notice anything because this image obviously doesn't contain any instance of faces or anything. So I'm just gonna go to here, and I'm going to search for a group of people with faces and stuff. So uh, group photo, maybe. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I think this is a good image, but I think I can find even better ones. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. Just because this image is really large. Copy image. I'm not gonna resize it. Actually, I'm gonna downsize it. If not, so yeah, let me save this. Wait here. Save this image. It's a JPEG file, so I think it's good. So the people.jpg. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the file. People.jpg. People.jpg. I'm gonna. I'm not gonna use the size parameter. I'm actually gonna use the fx and fy, which I believe are the scaling factors. But wait, where was okay? Where was the how to resizing matrix? None. Yeah, I think I can plug in none. Null. I mean, I can make this one null, and I'm gonna downsize it by factor of 2.5, 2.5. No, suppose F must be, um, let me just give it this empty one so that it just scales by these values. So let me try this out without the classification first. Here we have the image loaded up. Now let's enable the classifier to see if it actually, yes. So guys, as you can see here, it has actually detected the faces. If I give it an image, a video file, it's gonna work just as fine. But as you can see here, there are some false positives. I believe we can correct this by increasing the number of neighbors, min neighbors, to be 25, I believe, because I've seen it, I've tried this before, and it works really well, but the bounds are really tight. I mean, just because this person didn't wear any glasses, no, just because this person wore glasses, it's not detecting that apparently. So I'll try decreasing this to something like 10. Yeah, so I believe this is working, right? So let's just test it out on a video. Let's test it out on a video. I don't know, stock photo. How can we do that? Um, I'm just gonna search for a person video. I don't know. So no, no person portrait video. Mm, can I shoot my video portraits? Okay. Okay, maybe something from a TEDx presentation, TEDx talk, TED talk. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. Load this video. I'm gonna download it out for ATP. So yeah, I'm gonna let this download. It's actually 27 megabytes, which is not that much. Until then, I'm gonna look into how I can load in video files. Yeah, so in CV video reader. Read, write, and display video using OpenCV. Okay, yeah. Um, while true. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use the video capture, which I'm familiar with from my last project. Video capture, VC, I'm gonna call it VC equals to new one, new video capture. It's going to have the file name, which I'm going to be loading it up. Okay. So then I'm gonna try and make some modifications to this to make it ready for the VC. So here I think the if not we can't receive stream. We you okay. Yeah, I'm gonna translate it. I'm just gonna copy this, paste it inside of here, and I'm going to translate this into the C sharp version. So while true is just going to be while true. This hashtag is messing up the code because in C sharp, a hashtag means defining a region. So defining a region, which we are not doing. I'm gonna clear up the comments. Please recollect the, I think this is a comment. This is a comment. This is a comment. So, oh, yeah. I believe the classifiers, yeah, I think it uses, yeah, I'm gonna place it inside here. I'm gonna name it the video.mp4. So before that, our classifiers, is use grayscale. It should be in grayscale format. I just forgot that. Yeah, let me convert that to grayscale. cv.cvt color. Yeah, the frame. Yeah, I'm gonna do it here, which is var frame equals to the vc dot capture or vc dot read. Oh, I believe this one is a function. So I'm gonna create the frame, the mat frame, and I'm gonna pass the frame, pass an output variable. No. Yeah, just the frame. Oh, it's complaining that it's uninitialized. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a new mat. Anyways, if it's not in red, yeah, I don't think we'll need this. Gray, the grayscale is a CVT color change. CVT color, this one. So it's gonna take in the frame